Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake decorating cream. Gather room temperature butter, sifted powdered sugar, vanilla, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk, then beat on medium until fluffy. Begin by creaming butter alone, then add sugar gradually to prevent dust clouds. Taste and adjust sweetness or vanilla, add milk slowly for desired consistency, and finish with a short, high-speed whip for lightness and sheen. Choose a flavoring that complements your cake and measure it precisely to avoid overpowering the cream. For lighter flavor, use vanilla extract or citrus zest, and for tangy balance, consider cream cheese additions. Adjust texture with small amounts of milk or powdered sugar until the cream is pipable but stable. If you need sharper edges or firm petals, chill the cream briefly, then whip again slightly before use for best. When coloring, use gel or paste dyes to keep consistency stable and add color a little at a time until you reach the shade you want. Fit piping bags with the tips that match your design and fill them only 2/3 full to maintain control. Practice shapes and pressure on parchment to get consistent strokes, then work from the center outward on the cake, cleaning your tip between colors for crisp lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.